Tastes alright, it does.
The rain is fucking relentless today. Alright guys, so a little bit of a change of direction for the channel. I've obviously been around for the last 2 years. It's been a while. Yeah, I've fallen out of love with the whole training aspect of things, you know. So what I've decided to do is well, I've basically started up my own window cleaning business now, and obviously what I found before was I was having a lot of stress because I was working a full-time job and I was trying to juggle filming, editing and working all in one day, and it was a fucking pain in the ass. So that was one of the main reasons I stopped YouTubing, really, because I just did not have the fucking time. Now on the other hand, I've just set up my own window cleaning business. I'm doing alright with it, and I thought to myself, well, why not take you with me? Why not teach you about what I do? Why not take you along as I grow and as I expand? And obviously that'll be interesting for you to watch, and if anybody's in the process of doing something similar, or is in, you know, thinking of doing something similar, then obviously that would be somewhat informative for those people as well. So I'm on my way to work now. Actually, it's been fucking pissing down all morning, so it's 2:20. I've got about 3 hours until it gets dark. Luckily I've got quite a quiet day today, so I'm just going to try and get these jobs done quick out of the way, and you know, get on with it, so to speak. But yeah, I'm going to be taking you along with me, taking you on my days of work, taking you around, showing you what I do, how I make money now, as opposed to sitting in the fucking 9-to-5 office all day long, bored out my fucking face. This is it's quite refreshing, to be honest with you, being out and about, and I'm my own boss as well, you know. I can't be fucking arsed. I mean, obviously the consequence is I won't get paid, but if I can't be fucking arsed to work one day, I don't have to. I don't have to ring up and be like, oh sorry, I've got the shits, you know. I don't have to do that. I can just sit down and fucking chill out. I want family time, I get family time, simple as. And it's nice. Once again, started raining. Got a quick job to do here. It's just a little bungalow, so this one shouldn't take me too long. This Welsh weather. Yeah, I don't know if I'm going to get through all my fucking work for today at this rate. The sun keeps coming up and the rain keeps coming back out to play. Not the ideal conditions. Cleaning windows, put it that way. Some people are really funny about having their windows done in the rain. I don't know why, if you're still cleaning in the rain, but people seem to think you can't. We're using the Moman Younger strip washer today, and just the basic Unger SS channel, 10-inch. I should cover this because we're in a little bungalow. Just typical Welsh fucking weather today. I managed to get the bungalow done. It's raining, so I'm back in the car a minute. So I'm just having a quick 5 minutes now. Sky's turning blue again, so I think I'm gonna unload my ladder and absolutely fucking whip through this next house, and then hopefully I can go and get the other house done that I've got on for today as well. Alright guys, so that's me finished for the day. I've I know this video has been a bit fucking random and it's just been cuts here, cuts there. I haven't made a video in ages, so I do apologise. But I cut my fingers open. Couldn't really show you that because I feel a bit funny about bringing my camera around people's houses and stuff. I suppose I'll have to do it on my phone in future. But I should have showed you that. I'll put a photo up there so you can see it properly. It's like this fucking deep. I turned round and I used my scraper because I was scraping egg off somebody's window. Somebody's windows had been egged and I was scraping the egg off. And I reached round for my scraper. Little did I know I'd left it fucking blade side up, so I went like that and just straight across my fingers, full swing. And yeah, like I say, it's bleeding through the plaster, and I did that. Hold on. See it? And I did that about an hour ago, and it's still fucking bleeding. I ain't going to the hospital, man. Can't be arsed for that. But yeah, that's going to be the end of the video. Thank you for watching. So, in summary, I will obviously still do the odd trading video here and there, so you don't have to unsubscribe if you do only want that content, because it is going to be coming. But the majority of my content now is going to be a bit of everything, you know, my daily life, my work life. I'm going to try and just basically film my days and film the interesting bits of my days anyway, and obviously make some sick YouTube videos out of it. But yeah, thank you for watching once again. That's the end of the video for now, and like I say, just made this to let you know where the channel was going. So if you want to unsubscribe at this point, you're more than welcome to. If you're not already subscribed and you like the look of my channel, you like the look of what's coming, obviously hit the subscribe button, give me a like, and everyone who is subscribed, don't forget to hit the bell notification, and I think you click on it and press the all button, and that will notify you for every video I post, then, so you don't miss any. But with that said, I'll see you in the next one.